Hello everybody, I am extremely sorry for taking forever for making this video on the questions asked by you. The questions asked by some subscribers like how to take admission in Library and Information Science. I will break down the answer in parts. First part will be what is Library and Information Science, what is the course content, entrance exam, how to prepare, sample questions. So now let us go to the first part. The first part is what is Library and Information Science? According to Information School, University of Washington, Library and Information Science is a profession that is full of people passionate about making a positive change in the world, and they tend to be widely happy about what they do. According to one recent survey, over 85% of information professionals questioned said if they had the choice, they would do it again. Librarians bridge the gaps that exist between people, information, and technology. In their professional lives, librarians and information professionals work to design and develop knowledge organization systems, create reader advisory resources to encourage young students to develop a lifelong love of reading and learning, help scholars locate archival and other resources crucial to their work, identify sources of assistance in family and personal crises, help doctors more quickly locate health information in critical situations. Second one is what is the course content? The content of the course Library and Information Science. It is very important to know. So academic courses in Library and Information Science include collection management, information systems and technology, research methods, information literacy, cataloging and classification, preservation, reference, statistics and management. Library science is constantly evolving, incorporating new topics like database management, information architecture, and information management, among others. Third one is the entrance exam. The student or the aspirant who want to join Library and Information Science should track the universities which are having the course of Library and Information Science and the time of their entrance exam. That is very important. Number 4 is how to prepare. As Library and Information Science is amalgamation of various concepts, so it is better to study the basic concepts of collection management, information systems and technology, research methods, information literacy, cataloging and classification, preservation, reference, statistics and management. Fifth one is the sample question. The student or the aspirant who wants to join Library and Information Science have to go through the website of the university which are having Library and Information Science, where they have to find out the sample questions like the previous year's entrance exam questions. They will find it out and they have to practice the question thoroughly. Let me give you one example of the sample questions of ISI where you can join MS in Library and Information Science at DRTC. So if at first this is the website address of ISI, then you have to go to the admission part. This admission under academics. Here you have to click here to view the admission portal. You have to click the admission portal, then you have to find out the syllabus and question paper, the written test. You click here and you have to find the MS in Library and Information Science, MS in LIS. Here you can find the syllabus. It is the syllabus. If you click here, you get the syllabus. The PDF is here. You can download it. All the mark criteria and all the timing. It's in paper 1, you have the paper 1 and paper 2, paper 1 in forenoon and paper 2 in the afternoon. All the things are given here. Then we'll go back and we'll see some sample questions. There is paper A and paper B. Let's see paper A of 2019. In paper A, It contains 30 questions. Part A is the test of quantitative ability, Part B test of reasoning ability. So in Part A you can see the questions, they are having numerical questions in Part A. Part B is having the test of reasoning ability. Likewise, now we'll see the paper B. Part B is having the questions related to verbal ability, vocabulary test, reading comprehension, correcting grammar errors in sentences, and writing skills. Some sample questions are given below. So these are the questions. You can see appropriate prepositions, pick up the most appropriate word from the blank, rewrite the sentences correctly, and there you can find some topics. We have to write some paragraphs on festivals of India, wildlife conservation, public libraries. So this is the question paper for your entrance exam in MS in Library and Information Science at JRTC. Hopefully I have answered all the questions which were in your mind. If you have any more questions, then don't forget to put it in the comment section. I'll try to answer it. So please subscribe, please like the video, and see you in next video.